Hey, it's Rebecca with Team Ladybug, and it's that time again. We're about to crack open this month's Beetle Box and see what's inside. I haven't even peeked yet, so we're going to go through this together. I love this part. It's like getting a surprise gift every single month. You never know exactly what's waiting for you, but you know it's going to be good. So let's see what we've got inside this time. Okay, with every box comes the little sheet that tells you what's in the box, and Hillary makes this really pretty for us. This month is the August 2025 Beetle Box, and if you are a VIP, you can scan the QR code and go right to this month's classes, which are themed around the contents of your box. I already see some goodies in here. Let's go through them one by one. So first up, we've got a full set of practice cards. These are pretty sturdy and they have the QL logo right on top. So I'm gonna just open them up and check out the cards. Okay, so there is a ballerina shape. It looks like an oval shape, a short square, a short round, and a long almond, and a coffin-shaped nail. Or maybe that's a long square, just depending on how you look at it. But I like these. These are really awesome for trying out different styles without you committing to a full set. And it's a little bit bigger than my nail, which I have pretty big nails, but it's great for practicing. And it looks like this is a card holder to put them in. So if you were doing gel, you could do the design as long as you didn't cure it on there. And if you wanted to, oh, they are double-sided. Look at that. Fantastic. I really like the card holder, and these are great for practicing your designs. I hope you like them too. Wow. Okay, next up is, oh my gosh, okay, so candy, yeah. But next up is, look, these are so fun. A set of 4 luminous pigments that glow in the dark. But here's the key, they have to be light activated. So make sure you charge them up under your lamp, or like I'm doing here in the sunlight. Look how pretty the colors are. Purple, sky blue, lime green, and neon melon. And once you bring them into the dark, boom. That glow is insane. I can't wait to see what everybody does with these. Please tag us in your pictures. Okay, I love this. Look at, it's a tin. So this is the Queen Ladybug tin. Not only is it cute and sturdy, but you can keep all your tools in one place. So inside, let's see, there's tip holders, and there is tip adhesive, and size 3 nail tips. These are included for practice, and they're perfect for trying new art ideas, but remember, they're not meant for full sets. Just save them for your practice sessions. Your tip adhesive, so you can attach the tips to the holders, and let's take a look at these holders. So this is a set of 10 nail tip holders, and they're magnetic, so they snap right into place on your tin. Look at that, so satisfying. I use this because I don't like the little bars. Love metal boxes. In a previous Beetle Box, we got a set of tools, gold tools, and I use my tip holders on that box, and that's what I put in my lamp, because then your tips don't slide around and you can put a whole set of nails on there and cure everything all at once. So I'm pretty sure I'll do the same with this box. And your tip adhesive, you're still going to have to buff the top of these, but you can just put it on the top and attach your nails with that. So let's just put all this back in here and the little tips in the bag. And okay, just gonna pack this back up. So that's everything in this month's Beetle Box. Practice cards, glow pigments, the tin, adhesive, tips, and holders. Plus, if you are a VIP member, you get exclusive VIP designs. For our VIP members this month, Tracy created these spooky chic designs, glow-in-the-dark cats and spider webs. They light up so beautifully once they're charged, and they're perfect for the season. Can't get enough of that glow. Just boom. And for our celebrity level members, you're getting something really special. Tracy's skull flower nail design. It's bold, it's detailed, and it's such a cool piece to learn. Plus, inside every celebrity box this month, I've added 3 tip designs myself. So you'll have real examples to practice and get inspired by. If you're not signed up for VIP or celebrity yet, don't wait. These designs are only available when you're subscribed at that level, and once this month is gone, you can't get it back. So make sure you sign up now for next month's Beetle Box before it's too late. You don't want to miss out.